part 19 of building a tiny house, and in this video we are gonna continue on and finish up the framing for the second floor framing. And we didn't finish it because we were short on wood, but now we have everything we need to finish it. And also in this video we need to fix this one before we forget it. So this is the ventilation for the sewage system. This needs to go through all these plates and come out through the top. This will need to go all the way till the roof. That's why we need to keep going up with it before it gets too messy to go through there. If it gets all insulated, we're not going to be able to go through it. So we just need to not forget it. So let's get started and do this ventilation first before we forget it again.
It's kind of in the center.
No one's ever gonna see it, so it's gonna be all good.
No one's ever gonna see it, ever.
Except this video.
Except thousands of you right now. I mean, it fits, so it's okay.
That's all you care about, right?
So let's see. Does that align better? Ooh, maybe. Looks pretty good, I think. No?
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks good. Wow, that went in smooth. It's not going that sideways.
So now that the ventilation is done, we're gonna move on and do some framing. We also want to double plate up, which is something we should have done straight away. Double plate up behind this plate, which is also a double plate. And also that's going to hold up the stairs, so the stairs are going to go flat against it, and then we're not going to need to add a beam. So let's get that, but before we get started, let's actually get some wood delivered so we can actually do the framing. So let's see those clips now.
You're gonna be able to unload it before the rain? At least it's cloudy. So we're not gonna sweat like last time. Because it is hot. That's for the sides? Like the ones that we didn't finish up there? Okay.
this one's.
Did it break?
Yep,
How?
just snapped. Here's the ring. Still in there, you just can't take it out ever.
It stayed?
Yeah, this one's good. So as you can see, the double plate is on. It looks a lot better. It's definitely more sturdy and it adds a lot more rigidity to the end of the floor here. I feel like we should have done it even if the floor ended here flush. And now I can definitely jump up and not feel any flexing. Not like I could before, but it didn't feel as solid. Now it feels rock solid like a beam. So that's a lot better. Now these two connect really nicely. I did put these big screws in to connect them as well. But the metal plate there, the bracket is doing an incredible job. So no worries at all. Let's now move on and do the two ends. And then we're going to go all around and out bracing where the top plate is going to sit on, because we're not putting the OSB again under, we're putting the OSB after. So we're putting bracing all the way through so the top plate sits flush and all around nicely. So let's do that now.
flying wood. Do we do some measurement?
Measure meter or something?
Do I split it or do I do it by the eye?
Yeah, you're going.
I could do it by the eye, something. Then one more. That was a good one. So we're done with this one, and we're thinking I'm putting here, but I think that's good enough. I think that's how much we did on the bottom. This one definitely needs.
Yeah.
And I think the rest is good. And then just again the same thing on the very end. But I think it looks professional. Nice.
And feels strong. Feels like we're on the first floor again. Like that's
like the main floor, yeah.
So as you can see, we are done, and now we are properly ready to put on the top plate on here and get ready to do the top walls. So the second floor walls, and it's looking really good. But we did have a bit of a discussion and we decided not to do the walls yet. And our plan actually was to do the wind barrier now and below and put insulation and cables and everything. But there's some other things we need to do, specifically also with the cables. We got to put up the cables for the main electricity that comes up, because that goes through the walls. And we kind of need to go through before we put the top plate, so we can actually see when we're coming through with the conduits. And also all the lights we need to put in. So all the lights that go from the bottom floor And also another thing, we want to maybe put the wind barrier from the first floor and put in the windows that we have already and the door, just because once we have the second walls up, our plastic sheet is going to cover only the top mostly, and the bottom is going to be fully exposed to weather. So having it already sealed up is going to be really smart for preventing water going in. So we're going to do that probably first and put in the windows that we have, the plastic ones, and also the door. The 3 windows that we need to make custom, those we're going to make after. Not a rush, we can just leave it wind barrier closed. It's just I want to put some of the windows in so bottom doesn't get pitch black again, you know, like not again, but it would be a bit annoying to work in after. So that's something we got to do first, and then we're going to get on with the top and go upwards. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really hot, really hard to even talk. It's a bit of moisture, the sun is burning, but in the next video, we are going to continue on, and hopefully soon we're going to have the second floor and the roof. It's been taking quite a while, but we need to get everything done perfectly, and we need to think of everything. We cannot leave any detail out. See you next time, I guess. Bye-bye.
Yeah, we were lucky. We were actually working in shadow this time. The sun just came out.
Yeah.
Now we're having a lunchtime, and then sadly, we will not continue with the floor. But it's okay. We're thinking it all through. Okay, let's go. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, whoa, it's hot.